Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tasha, and if you're new here, please go subscribe to my channel. Also click the notification button so you guys could get notified when I upload a video. If you want to see how I achieve this look, please stick around, and thank you for watching. The pencil that I'm gonna be using is from Urban Decay, and it's the Brow Blade. Sure you can see that. It has a liner and also got the eye pencil. So this is what I'm gonna be using for my brows. I'm gonna take my concealer, and the concealer that I'm using is from Urban Decay, and it's called Naked in the shade Dark Golden. I'm gonna use my matte brush, 212 matte brush. Is a 270S from MAC. So I'm gonna go on to the next eye, under the brow with the concealer. This is a bright concealer. I bought it at Sephora and the shade was too light for me in the summer times. So I just use it to clean up my brows. What you guys doing right now? Like, comment below, let me know how you guys doing, if you guys are okay. You know, it's really rough outside right now. Like, is the world really coming to an end? Because I really don't know like what's going on, you know. So on the top I'm gonna use the Sharp Shape Tape, and I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of my foundation because it's darker. The look that I'm going for is, a very bright eyeshadow, so I want the under eye to be popped, So I'm gonna take the mixture above my brow. Please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell so you guys don't miss what I post. I'm gonna try to post like every other day or 3 times out of the week. Let me know what you guys doing. Like, you guys still go to work? I have to go to work because I'm in the medical field. I have to be really careful with all my patients. Okay, this eyebrow is snatched, okay? Look at that. It's really pretty. Y'all see my in-depth eyebrow tutorial? Yes, perfect. I'm gonna apply some eyeshadow primer, and it's from Urban Decay. I'm gonna apply this to my lids. This helps the eyeshadow to be very pigmented. I'm going for, you know, a really pretty bright color. This is from Urban Decay and it's the electric palette. You see these pretty colors here. And the Alicia Edwards palette. Okay. The first color that I'm gonna take is this purple, Believe. And I am gonna put it into my crease. Do y'all see how pretty that is? See that? Repeat the same step to the other eye. You see what difference the eye primer is? Like, if you use a concealer, it doesn't look this bright. That eye primer is the bomb. Like, you need to get it. Go purchase it. Right now, I think you have to shop online because everything is closed. So you can shop online, like. If you don't have enough money in your bank account, I don't advise you to go and shop, because in times like these, you're gonna need money to buy food. Wow, y'all see how that is? Pretty. Oh. So I'm gonna use a blending brush to blend this out. Blend out the harsh lines. Guess what color I'm gonna put on this? Guess. I'm gonna use this pink. It's Texas Made. This pretty pink, right? Pretty, right? I'm going to use this on top. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. These colors are very pretty. So you're gonna want to blend this out a little bit on top so that the harsh line is not showing. Okay. So the next step, what I'm gonna do is use the same primer, and I am going to cut my crease area, and I am going to go into the electric palette, and I am going to use this pretty green here. Ooh. Yes, honey. Now I'm gonna cut the crease. Finally cut the crease. So what I'm gonna be taking is this pretty green, as I told you guys, and I'm gonna apply it to my lips. beautiful. So the next step I'm gonna take is pretty blue color right there. I'm going to take it into the crease area, basically not the crease but the edges right here. I'm gonna blend it out so that it don't have, you know, this little harsh line right here. So I'm gonna take the blue and I'm gonna put it in the creasing right here just to blend it out a little bit. Repeat the same step to the other eye. So you see that, guys, it's beautiful, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take the pink again and I'm gonna go over the pink. The next step, right, I'm gonna take the same color, the purple color, and I'm gonna take it to here, under here. There you go, guys. So next step is foundation, and the foundation that I use is NARS. This is shot on Tarte Shape Tape. On top, I'm gonna use my NARS, my Naked, I should say, in dark, and it's a little bit lighter, so I'm gonna just use a little bit on top, just to get that eye, under eye bright. MAC blush called Fever. I'm gonna apply this to my cheek. So I'm gonna apply my lashes off camera and I'll be right back. Yes, my peeps, so you see how my face is beat, so let's finish up this look. Okay, so I'm gonna apply some liner to my waterline. Wait, no, I don't need liner. What I need is mascara. take my lip pencil in chestnut to line my lips. I'm gonna take my lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's in the shade Dainty, and it's a pink color. I'm gonna apply it to the inner lip. And I'm gonna go over back with the chestnut. Pretty, like OD pretty. Like, what you guys think? Like, you know, I can't wait until this whole corona thing just stop, because it's messing with the world. Like, I need to take my trips, I need to go out, like, oh my god, I'm so frustrated, but you know, it's life, and we have to have faith and keep positive. You know, God will get us through this. And please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you guys can get notified to see all my videos. If you like this makeup, you could just thumbs up. Also comment, tell me what you think about it, and what would you like to see me to do on my channel. Just comment below, let me know what you guys want to see. I love you guys so much, and thank you for watching.